Tokyo, Reuters, Asian stocks edged up on Thursday as robust corporate earnings helped Wall Street quell concerns over a surge in U.S. bond yields, while the dollar hovered near three-month highs against a basket of currencies. MISIA Euro Trademark's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan edged up 0.09%. Australian stocks were flat and Japan Euro Trademark's Nikkei rose 0.4%. South Korea Euro Trademark's Kospi climbed 0.5%. The Dow rose 0.25% overnight, ending a 5-day losing streak, and the S&P 500 gained 0.18% on optimism over a spate of upbeat earnings that managed to offset jitters over rising U.S. bond yields. The spike to a 4-year peak above 3% in the 10-year U.S. Treasury yield this week, a benchmark for global borrowing costs, had weighed on stocks amid concerns rising corporate borrowing costs could dampen profits. Nonetheless, the broader equity market reaction to the latest jump in U.S. yields appeared to be more measured compared to February, when a similar spike in rates sent stocks tumbling. Euro or ETH equity markets slid sharply in January and March in response to the rise in Treasury yields. But the Federal Reserve signaled in March that its rate hikes would be gradual. Euro said Masahiro Ichikawa, senior strategist at Sumitomo Mitsui Asset Management in Tokyo. Euro or ETH expectations towards U.S. rate hikes being gradual are enabling equities to take the current yield rise in stride. Euro. The 10-year Treasury note yield rose to 3.035% overnight, its highest since January 2014. The yield has climbed on expectations of a steady U.S. economic expansion, accelerating inflation, and concerns about increasing debt supply. The dollar has drawn support from the higher U.S. yields, with its index against a basket of 6 major currencies last up 0.05% at 91.210 and within reach of 91.261, a 3-month peak scaled on Wednesday. The greenback has risen without pause through much of the past week as concerns over AU's China trade dispute receded, allowing the market to turn its attention back to dollar-supportive fundamentals. The euro fetched $1.2169 after sliding to a 1-1/2-month low of $1.2160. The dollar was steady at 109.420 yen after going as high as 109.490, its strongest since February 8. Crude oil prices were up amid the prospect of fresh sanctions on Iran and concerns about output from Venezuela. O/R. U.S. crude futures were 0.3% higher at $68.24 a barrel.